AI is reshaping the world faster than most people realize. What if the biggest financial opportunity of the next decade is already happening right in front of us? Think about this for a moment. Throughout history, every major technological shift has created winners and losers. The Industrial Revolution created new industries while making old jobs disappear. The internet created billion-dollar companies while many traditional businesses struggled to survive. Social media transformed marketing, entertainment, and communication forever. Now we're entering another one of those moments. Only this time, the change is happening much faster. Artificial intelligence is not just another technology trend. It is rapidly transforming the way people work, build businesses, and create wealth. Some people will use this technology to become dramatically more productive and successful. Others will ignore it and find themselves competing in a world that no longer operates the way it used to. In today's video, we're going to talk about where we are right now in the AI revolution, how to position yourself on the winning side of this shift, and the opportunities that AI is creating for those who are paying attention. Let's dive in. Part 1. Understanding how AI is changing work. A lot of people still think AI is something that's coming in the future. The reality is that it's already here. Businesses around the world are using AI to automate tasks, improve productivity, and reduce costs. And if you look closely, you'll notice that AI is changing the workforce in 3 major ways. Level 1. AI-enhanced individuals. This is where one person becomes significantly more productive because they're using AI tools effectively. Imagine 2 employees doing the same job. One spends hours researching, writing reports, organizing information, and answering emails manually. The other uses AI to assist with those tasks. Who finishes first? Who produces more? Who creates better results in less time? Over time, companies begin to notice the difference. The gap between AI users and non-users is growing every single day. Level 2. AI automates departments. The second level happens when AI begins handling entire functions within a business: customer support, scheduling, data entry, research, content creation, administrative work. Many companies are already using AI systems that can perform these tasks with minimal human involvement. The business still needs those functions, but it may need far fewer people to perform them. Level 3. AI disrupts entire industries. This is where things become truly transformational. Certain products and services become less valuable because AI can perform similar functions instantly and at a lower cost. Some industries will adapt, others will struggle. History shows us that technology doesn't ask for permission, it simply moves forward. The companies and individuals who adapt survive, those who don't often get left behind. The question everyone is asking. Whenever people hear discussions like this, they usually respond with the same thought: AI can't replace what I do. And maybe that's true today. But here's the better question: can AI replace part of what you do? Can it automate 20%, 30%, 50%? Even if AI can't completely replace a role, it can dramatically increase the productivity of someone who knows how to use it. That's why the future isn't about competing against AI. It's about learning how to work alongside it. The biggest threat isn't AI itself. The biggest threat is someone using AI more effectively than you. Part 2. Developing an AI-first mindset. The people who benefit most from technological change don't spend their time resisting it. They spend their time understanding it. Instead of asking, "How do I protect the way I've always worked?" they ask, "How can I use this technology to work smarter?" That's a completely different mindset. Successful people don't wait until change becomes unavoidable. They adapt early, they experiment early, they learn early, and they position themselves ahead of the crowd. Here's a simple exercise. Take a piece of paper and write down every major task you perform in a typical week. Then ask yourself 3 questions. First, which tasks could AI help me complete faster? Second, which tasks could AI automate completely? Third, which tasks require uniquely human abilities? You'll quickly discover that some of the work consuming your time doesn't actually require your full attention. The more repetitive the task, the more likely AI can assist. The skills that become more valuable. As AI becomes more capable, certain human skills become even more important. Communication, leadership, creativity, problem-solving, relationship building, strategic thinking, empathy, trust. People who combine these human strengths with AI-powered productivity will have a significant advantage in the years ahead. The future isn't humans versus AI. The future is mutual understanding of humans and AI.